What if I told you that you can actually earn money online just by watching videos and doing simple tasks? There is a platform called Rewardy.io that allows people to earn small rewards for everyday online activities. But most people try it and fail because they don't understand how it really works. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through everything, step by step, so you don't make mistakes. Rewardy is what's called a get-paid-to platform, where users complete simple tasks in exchange for rewards. These tasks are very easy and can be done directly from your phone or your laptop anytime. Once you complete tasks, you earn points, which can be converted into real money or even crypto. To get started, you simply create an account on the platform. You can sign up using Google, your email, or even your Twitch account. After logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, where all earning options are displayed. This dashboard is your control center, where you track your progress and see available tasks. One of the easiest ways to earn is by watching streams passively. As long as the stream is playing, you keep earning points, even without doing much. Another method is playing games and completing simple in-game tasks. You can also complete surveys, which usually pay more than other tasks. Surveys may take longer, but they often give higher rewards when done correctly. Now here's the important part. The highest paying method is something called offerwalls. These include installing apps, signing up on websites, or completing specific actions. Each completed task adds points to your balance, moving you closer to withdrawal. You can also invite friends using your referral link. When they join and start earning, you earn a percentage too. So even when you're not working, you can still earn passively from referrals. Now let's talk about withdrawals. You can withdraw your earnings through PayPal, cryptocurrency, or gift cards. But first, you must reach the minimum payout. Now here's the truth. You won't get rich overnight using this platform. The earnings are small at the beginning, especially for new users. But if you stay consistent and keep working daily, your earnings will grow over time. The smartest strategy is to combine multiple methods. Don't rely on just one if you want better results. Use offer walls, referrals, and passive watching together. That's how you maximize your earnings. Rewardy is great for beginners starting their online journey, but it shouldn't be your main income source. If you want real money, you need to learn valuable digital skills. Skills like content creation, video editing, and freelancing. These skills allow you to earn more and build consistent income streams. And that's where the real money comes from, in the long run. So think of Rewardy as just a starting point, not the final destination. Now you understand how it works. If this helped you, make sure you subscribe for more.